Dozens of children died in Uttar Pradesh's Firozabad near Agra in just a week due to a viral fever suspected to be dengue. The Indian Express reports that the fever killed around 40 people, including 32 children. NDTV reports 53 people died, including 45 children, over the past 10 days alone. Agra Divisional Commissioner Amit Gupta said that the primary cause is suspected to be dengue, but other causes are being ascertained. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath visited the government hospital in the town on Monday to review the progress of treatment and measures taken to prevent dengue. Besides Firozabad, some deaths were also reported from Mathura, but that was reportedly caused by scrub typhus, which is a vector-borne bacterial disease. Both dengue and scrub typhus are vector-borne diseases. While Mathura and Firozabad fall in Agra division, no cases of viral illness were reported from Agra itself. NDTV reports that Firozabad administration has ordered the closure of schools for classes 1 to 8, both government-run and private, till September the 6th. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath visited Firozabad yesterday and said teams would be formed to confirm the cause of deaths. Directions have been issued to ensure adequate manpower at the medical college, he said. The Chief Minister visited the children admitted at the Firozabad Medical College and also went to the homes of some of those who died. According to BJP MLA Manish Asija, who is in touch with the patients' families and is closely monitoring the situation, the first cases of fever were reported on August 18th. In children, the symptoms begin with fever, diarrhea, and vomiting. Local people said they have not seen such a severe outbreak of dengue ever in this region.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.